While the rain paints the sky, and you say you shine on the edge of blooming time. Rosebud in your eyes, feel the warmth as the day arrives. Don't be scared of the unknown, every color's your own. Rosebud love in your eyes, feel the warmth as the day arrives. Don't be scared of the unknown, every color's your own. Rosebud, let yourself grow in the breeze, let your spirit show. You're a story in bloom, singing your own tune. One day you'll see how beautiful you've come to be. Every thorn and every scar makes you who you are. Rosebud, open your eyes, feel the sun kiss the morning sky. You were made for this glow, every color's your own. Rosebud, let yourself grow in the breeze, let your spirit show. You're a story in bloom, singing your own tune. One day you'll see how leaves bloom in the morning light. Now you shine, oh you shine so bright. Rosebud in bloom, singing your own tune. While the rain paints the sky, and you say you shine on the edge of blooming time. Rosebud, open your eyes, feel the warmth as the day arrives. Don't be scared of the unknown, every color's your own. Rosebud, let yourself grow in the breeze, let your spirit show. You're a story in bloom, singing your own tune. One day you'll see how beautiful you've come to be. Every thorn and every scar makes you who you are. Rosebud, open your eyes, feel the warmth as the day arrives. Don't be scared of the unknown, every color's your own. Rosebud, let yourself grow in the breeze, let your spirit show. You're a story in bloom, singing your own tune. One day you'll see how beautiful you've come to be. Every thorn and every scar makes you who you are. Rosebud, open your eyes, feel the sun kiss the morning sky. You were made for this glow, every color's your own. Rosebud, let yourself grow in the breeze, let your spirit show. You're a story in bloom, singing your own tune. Tiny spark in the morning light, now you shine, oh you shine so bright. Rosebud in bloom, singing your own tune. Where the rain paints the sky, can you see you shine on the edge of blooming time? Rosebud, open your eyes, feel the warmth as the day arrives. Don't be scared of the unknown, every color's your own. Rosebud, let yourself grow in the breeze, let your spirit show. You're a story in bloom, singing your own tune. One day you'll see how beautiful you've come to be.